Waffles in 2025? They're not just breakfast, they're a whole vibe. We tried the best from multi-plate wonders to sleek vertical designs and broke down what makes each one special. If you love crispy edges and fluffy middles, this roundup's for you. Cuisinart Belgian waffle maker. Reliable and easy to use, this classic round waffle maker has 6 browning levels, non-stick plates, and an audible alert so you know when your waffles are ready. It makes 4 deep pocket Belgian waffles at once, and the results are consistently crisp on the outside and fluffy inside. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. Ninja BW1001 Never Stick Pro Belgian Waffle Maker. This one's got a sleek, vertical design that saves counter space and looks sharp. It comes with a precision pour cup to avoid spills, 5 shade settings to get your waffles just right, and a chef-curated recipe guide to inspire your next brunch. The Never Stick surface means no scraping or sticking, just perfect waffles every time. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. AROMA 3-in-1 Panini Press, Grill, and Waffle Maker. This is your all-in-one breakfast buddy. It switches between a panini press, sandwich grill, and waffle maker, so you can go from crispy grilled cheese to fluffy waffles without swapping appliances. The ceramic-coated plates heat evenly and pop out for easy cleaning. Great for small spaces or anyone who loves variety. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. Novalife Belgian Waffle Maker. 1400W flip design. If you love those thick, golden Belgian waffles, this one's for you. It flips 180 degrees to spread the batter evenly, and the adjustable browning control lets you dial in your perfect crispness. The cool touch handle and locking buckle keep things safe, and the removable drip tray catches any mess. It's sturdy, stainless steel, and built to last. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. UVFAST Mini Waffles Maker. 4-in-1, 8 plates. This one's a total crowd pleaser. It comes with 8 removable plates, so you can switch between mini waffles, heart-shaped waffles, pancakes, and even donuts. Each side heats separately, which means you can cook 2 different treats at once. Great for picky eaters or family brunch. The non-stick surface makes cleanup super easy, and it's compact enough for small kitchens. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. From weekend brunch to weekday cravings, these waffle makers are built to deliver golden perfection every time. We highlighted what each one does best so you can find the right fit for your kitchen, your style, and your waffle goals. Check the description below for best prices and links to all the products mentioned. And hit subscribe for more gear that earns its spot.